Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn stack wall. What do you mean by stack wall? Stack wall यानी क्या रहता है? The wall with a different thickness and different height. यानी एक ही wall में क्या रहेगा? You have a number of different types of walls which are arranged at a different heights. Means if you look at this foundation, there is a one type of wall at the bottom with the width of 60 and height of 20. Another wall with the width of 50 and height of 60. Another wall with the width of 40 and height of around 60 only, and this 30 wall is variable that will be get attached to the level or up to height we are connected. So now we have to create such a kind of wall in Revit. So how to create? So this wall is called as a stack wall. So we'll go for the Revit. Okay. To create a wall in Revit, just click on wall architecture. Till now we have learned around two types. So we'll take it as a blank file actually, not because इसमें हम लोग के पास रेडीमेड सब प्रोजेक्ट में रहेगा. So just close it down, whatever the files I have. Okay, I will go for the project new and don't take any template. I place it with the none. Press OK. Now all dimensions are in centimeters, so I will go with the metric. Okay. Now all the dimensions of the are in centimeters. So you may change the unit. Unit change कर सकते हैं आप manage में जाके, project units में जाके. Now you can change it to the centimeter. Otherwise you may put it as a mm dimensions. So अभी तक हम लोगों ने walls में क्या क्या सीखा था. Walls लेने के लिए architectures में जाके wall architecture लिया. Till now we have learned basic wall and curtain wall. Today we are going to learn stack wall. Okay. So stack wall create करने के लिए जैसा मैंने already कहा था, यहाँ पे 4 different types of walls है with the different materials. Now we have to create a wall with these 4 different, means whenever there is a difference in thickness and difference in material, if both are changed, then we have to create a new type of wall. So first of all we are going to create new wall. So I am selecting basic wall first of all. So basic walls में हम लोग create करेंगे edit type, edit. So first of all duplicate create करेंगे, duplicate. First I will create 600 mm wall. Okay, edit. I will change the structural thickness is equal to 600 mm. Okay. Okay. Then there will again duplicate. I want another wall of how much thickness? 50. So that is 550 centimeter है तो हम लोग 500 mm लेते हैं. Okay. Structural thickness will be 500. Okay. Then again I create duplicate. There is another wall which is the 40 and the last one is 30. 40 means 400 mm. Okay. Structure edit. How much thickness it is? 400. So I place it as a 400. Okay. And the last wall is of the 300 mm thickness. So I create as a 300 mm thickness. Okay. Edit. Make it as a 300. Okay. So I press OK. So now we have 4 different types of walls: 600 mm, 500 mm, 400 mm, and 300 mm. Okay. Now what we have to go? Right now we have to go for the stack wall. So I select stack wall 1. I go for the edit and make it duplicate. Okay. So I press it, type as a foundation, stack wall. Okay, you may give whatever the name you want to be. It is not like whatever name I have given, same you have to give. So I go to the structure, edit. So if you look at here, there are the 2 types of wall, one with the variable height, one with the 3000 thickness. Now what we have 1, 2, 3, 4 different walls. So I put it another 2 walls. Now variable means what and fixed height means what? Now these heights are fixed, 20, 60 and around 60 mm, 60 centimeter. And this is variable. So this is your top wall which is variable. So this is again this is your top and this is your base. So top wall is what? How much thickness top wall is? 300 mm and it is variable. So I click it here and make it variable. In all stack wall there will be only one variable and other are fixed. Now bottom if you go, this is 68, this is 60 and this is 20. So I make it as a 60 means here 600 mm. This is 600 mm and this is 200 mm. Now this one is how much? 400 mm thickness, this is 500 mm thickness, and the bottom last one is 600 mm thickness. So 600 mm thickness has a 200 mm height, 500 mm thickness 60 mm, 400 mm 60 mm again. Same we are placed with the variable heights and thicknesses of the wall. So as it is over, then just press OK and OK. Okay, so here is the wall. I draft the wall over here. So if you click it, so your stack wall gets draft. Now if you see over here, there will be a number of different lines. If I go for the thin line, like this one. If you want to see the section of this one, so if you go for the 3D, you will see that there is a stack wall with a different variations. Means bottom one is of the 20 and a 200 mm, 600, 600, and this is variable. Variable means what exactly? Look at here. Now I have only level 1 and this is unconnected. Now if I place it as a 2500 and make it apply. So in this case, only variable wall height get vary. Not all this wall height not get vary because it is fixed. Where it is fixed, we fix it here as a edit. We fix it here as a this is variable. So this height is variable and all other are fixed 600, 600, 200. If we have to check it out how it is to be, then I close this once. I put one section over here. I go for the section. I place one section. Just right click, go to view. So there is a section. Okay. Now if we look at here actually as a ground level, it is offset by how much? 800 mm thickness. So there are the two things we can do. Okay. So we can put the level. So first I will show that base offset of minus 800 and you make it apply. So it automatically goes down. And so this is your ground level and it is offset by the 800 mm, 800 mm, and it is that. Otherwise there is another option. So I make it again, select these ones, make it 0, apply. I can put another level. लेवल प्रेस करने के लिए आर्किटेक्चर्स लेवल शॉर्टकट इज LL. So I put another level. यहाँ पे मैं क्लिक करता हूँ और यहाँ से मैंने इधर क्लिक किया. Okay, so this is your ground level. So I make it as a ground level. Ground level. Okay, corresponding view is, and this is base of foundation. So base of, as we are knowing this as a foundation wall, so this is base of foundation, apply corresponding name. So that name will be get displayed where, and view wall, floor plan, base of foundation, ground level. Now you may start this. If I selected this one wall and make base constraint is your base of foundation and make it apply. So it will be seen like that. So base of foundation is how much? 800 mm below your ground level. So it goes to below ground level and your base wall foundation is get start. So it will be looks like this one. This means whenever you want to put as a PCC level or another structures, then it will be up to ground level and this will be get connected as a base of foundation. Now what you have to change actually? Now we have to check out how much dimension it comes actually. So I go for the dimension DI and I check this dimension. I press tab over here. I again press tab. This is 600. Okay, exactly what we required. If I check over here, I click here and I click here also. So again this is your 500. Again I click here, tab, again press tab, 400. If I want to check the height, I click here, I go here, tab, then I want to go, this is 200, exactly what we place. If I go here, this is 600. If I go here, again this is 600 and this is again variable height. It is not fixed constraint actually. So this is how we created. Now if you want to apply material to this, like this is your concrete material, this is brick or hatching material, whatever it might be. So you may change the material also. To change the material, what you have to do? You cannot edit these ones. This is your directly wall over here. So you cannot edit the material from here. So what you have to do? Go for the wall. Again, I will go for the floor plan and base of foundation. Here you may go ground level, no issue. Again, select wall. So I go to the wall. I want to change the 600 mm wall material. So I select 600 mm, edit type, edit, and I want to change the material. So I select the material. Okay. Now if you want to apply the material, यहाँ पे material नहीं दिख रहा है तो you have to make it this as a show and hide library panel. So हम लोग को show library panel देना. Just rearrange how you want to look. उसका कैसा प्रोफाइल दिखना होता है उसको रीअरेंज करना. ओके. नाउ व्हाट आई वांट टू हैव, आई वांट टू हैव अ कंक्रीट मटेरियल. सो आई विल गो फॉर द कंक्रीट. यहाँ पे कंक्रीट एईसी मटेरियल ले सकते हैं या ऑटोडेस्क मटेरियल्स भी ले सकते हैं. कंक्रीट यहाँ पे भी आएगा. यू सिलेक्ट कंक्रीट या हम लोग इधर से ले सकते हैं. सो आई वांट टू सिलेक्ट लाइक कंक्रीट प्रीकास्ट. अगर ये मटेरियल अप्लाई करना है या कंक्रीट एरेटेड अप्लाई करना है, सो यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट एंड change it over. So मैं plain concrete लेता हूँ. I make it upside. So this will be here. Otherwise, if you want to don't want that one, I go for the again ASC material. I go for here concrete material actually, and concrete precast material I want to use. So I select this. So whatever material you want to, you have to select that one and make it apply. Okay. Okay. Then again I want to change the material for the 500 mm. So I select 500 mm wall. I select edit. I go for the again material and brick masonry देना है. समझ लो मैं यहाँ पे जाता हूँ, masonry में जाता हूँ, concrete masonry देना है. मुझे समझ लो exposed masonry, concrete masonry, floor block समझ लो ये वाला अप्लाई करना है. concrete masonry units अप्लाई करना है. या समझ लो मुझे यहाँ पे concrete देता हूँ, then अब वो material I want to use concrete masonry. So समझ लो यहाँ पे cast in place वाला material use करता हूँ. समझ लो okay, apply. Okay, then again I select. Okay, I select again 400 mm. I go for the edit. I go for the edit over here. Then again I want to use masonry. Okay, masonry, concrete masonry, floor block. I use these ones. Okay, then again press apply and okay. So I use apply and last I want to apply as a brick. So यहाँ पे 300 mm में जाता हूँ, मैं इसको edit करता हूँ. I edit category एंड यहाँ पे मैं क्या करता हूँ, ब्रिक वाला मैजनरी, एक्सपोज मैजनरी यूज करता हूँ, दिस वन. ओके. यहाँ पे इधर क्या करना आपको, देखो क्या रेड कर रहा है, ऐड मटेरियल टू डॉक्यूमेंट. डॉक्यूमेंट में अप्लाई करने के बाद आपको यहाँ से क्रिएट नहीं करना पड़ता है. सो यू में यूज रेडीमेड मटेरियल, अप्लाई. ओके. ओके, अप्लाई. ओके. नाउ दिस इज द वॉल यू हैव क्रिएटेड. अभी यहाँ पे देखो दो ही क्यों दिख रहा है, क्योंकि ग्राउंड लेवल है. बेस ऑफ फाउंडेशन देखेंगे तो अलग दिख रहा है. Now if I go for the 3D view and make it as a realistic, so we will have the wall with a different kind of all together materials हम लोगों ने जो दिया. I make it as a 4000 unconnected height. So this is your wall, foundation wall which we have created. So this is your stack wall. If you go for the section, it will looks like a sectional view. Okay, sections में अगर आपने हैचिंग पैटर्न दिया रहेगा तो इट विल बी शोन ओवर हियर. अभी यहाँ पे हैचिंग पैटर्न नहीं दिख रहा है. so हम लोग क्या करते हैं, वॉल में जाते हैं. अभी वॉल लेने के लिए अगेन ग्राउंड लेवल या कौन सा दो लेवल प्लान लो. अप्लाई वन हैचिंग पैटर्न, एडिट टाइप में जाता हूँ मैं, एडिट मटेरियल में एडिट देता हूँ मैं. ओके, समझ लो यहाँ पे हम लोग 300 mm के ले लेते हैं. एडिट, एडिट टाइप में जाता हूँ मैं, एक्सपोज मैजनरी अप्लाई किया. यहाँ पे कट पैटर्न में क्लिक करता हूँ. आई यूज दिस हैच पैटर्न फॉर दैट वन. ओके, एंड मेक इट अप्लाई. ओके. ओके, अप्लाई. ओके. नाउ इफ यू वांट टू गो फॉर द सेक्शन, सो सेक्शन में जाएंगे तो यहाँ पे देखो आपको हैच पैटर्न मिला. सो यू मे चेंज द सेक्शनल पैटर्न ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी वॉल in the same way. Clear? So this is your stack wall. So we are closing stack wall here. Have practice and practice for all three walls what we teach in the last lecture: basic wall, curtain wall and stack wall. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks a lot.